Hi everyone, Dr. Poonam here. It's end of my OPD and only few questions I have today. They're very few, but maybe I may take some time, maybe 15 minutes to answer them. Okay, so I think my live video has already started. So I'm Dr. Poonam Sambhaji here. Let's go to the FAQs on my video. So number one is, doctor, can a person become positive again after getting infected once? Okay, so this question is asked by Friani DeCosta E. Fernandez. So thanks Friani. Yes, a person who gets infected, hi Ravindra Kadam, a person who gets infected once with COVID can very well become infected one more time, because getting infected with COVID once doesn't give you immunity against the disease. Already there have been cases in Bangalore and in Mumbai wherein the person who had earlier got infected was reinfected. Okay, then second question is, there are three questions from one person who had sent it on my WhatsApp and she wanted me to address it on my FB live. So I don't know her name, but thank you to that lady. So one thing is, she is under home quarantine for 17 days. So she also wants to know, can I transmit the virus after 17 days? See, you cannot transmit that virus after 17 days if you are not infected after 17 days. Okay, what I mean by infected is, as I said, after 17 days if you go out without mask or don't wear your mask properly, wear the mask below the nose, below the lips, below the mouth and in the neck, then definitely you are going to get infected again. But if you follow all the precautions of wearing the mask properly, hand washing properly, taking care of yourself when you come back home from outside, okay, then doing the proper gargles, all that care if you take, then there are less chances that you are going to transmit it to another person. So as I said even in my earlier videos, there is a graph which follows, like, so you are first infective in the first 10 to 12 days, it goes high and then it comes down, and by 17 days it is going very, very low. Okay, so at that point it is very unlikely that you are going to transmit it to another person after coming out of the first bout, until and unless you get reinfected. I hope that makes it clear. Second, what precautions to be taken post COVID? Very good question. Rather, many of my patients whom I am following on this Homeline IMA, through the IMA, through teleconsult, are asking me, just 1 minute, I'll put off the fan, I think it's creating some visual, okay. So all those patients whom I am following through IMA for teleconsult are asking me, दोतोर म्हजे 17 दीस सोंपले, आता हांव भायर वचपाक जाता, आता म्हाका मिक्स जावपाक जाता, आता हांवें मास्क घालूना जाल्यार चलता, because it is really suffocating. No, you have to follow all your etiquettes of wearing mask and the personal hygiene, unsocializing, care of your body. See, you know what? Mother Earth has taught us a lesson. It is telling us, do your bit from your side. Take care of your body. Don't try to go out of your way. People are not sleeping on time, not eating properly, not doing daily exercises. Everyone wants a quick fix for everything. I have put on that. I want 3 months some gym. I want to lose weight, or I want to do some diet, some all fads. Okay, but people are not doing the regular things. Just walk for 30 minutes, exercise for 30 minutes or 1 hour, and you should be fit. So you start doing those things. So what precautions to be taken post COVID are, again, wear your mask, your hand wash properly, stay at a proper distance from other person, also see that you unsocialize, don't socialize. Sometimes while answering some question I may just go out of the way, or maybe my directions may change because certain things just appear in my mind. Now what appeared in my mind during this was a case from Bicholi wherein a young couple got married, and the boy had some infection pre-marriage which the family did not disclose, and the boy happened to be a COVID positive. People had attended the wedding, so many people had attended the wedding, and this guy died after few days of marriage. Okay, this was a news in the newspaper itself, so I think many of you might be knowing. So imagine during COVID, what is the need of getting married in a huge marriage ceremony? I mean, rather have a very small, just sign is what is required in that what is the marriage registration. I think the God has has given you a great opportunity to save your so many lakhs of rupees. Do save it, okay? You can buy a nice flat out of it. If I was to get married in this era, I would be the happiest one saving all the money. Though I did not have a very big fancy wedding anyways during our times, okay? So I would prefer, please do not attend any social gathering. If someone wants to have a big wedding, let them have it. You don't go for that wedding. Save yourself. Okay, then can I be positive again, or if I come in contact with a positive patient? Yes, you can. I already answered that, because you are not immune to the virus soon after the infection. My next question is, this is something very, very important. A person whom I'm following, he was very depressed. When I asked him, I said, why are you sounding depressed? Is there anything wrong? He said, doctor, I'm feeling very lonely because I'm the only one who is infected. I am in a side room and there is a different toilet bathroom for me, and I'm really feeling lonely. There is no one to talk to. He has a very small baby, a 1 month old baby. So since the time the baby is 7 days old or 10 days old, he has been quarantined. So he hasn't even seen his baby properly. So he almost burst out crying while I was talking to him. So see, this quarantine is a physical quarantine. It's not an emotional quarantine. So you can very well speak to the person on phone. You can have your video call. You can have video conferencing with your friends. All those people who are related or who are in contact with someone who is COVID positive, please call them. A phone is not going to transmit your that infection to you. Okay, please call them, show them that you are there with them. If they have a family, tell them, okay, have a video call. There are many families who do not understand how to do video call. Maybe you can help them out with the video call. Okay, help them out with everything that they want, maintaining that physical distance. Okay, they are isolated physically, not emotionally. Okay, so we say हे शारीरिक विलगीकरण आहे, मानसिक विलगीकरण नाही आहे. मीन्स हे शारीरिक सेपरेशन असा, ओके, मानसिक सेपरेशन ना ते म्हणल्यार आमी एकमेकाक मानसिक स्तराचेर आमी एकमेकाक मेळपाक जाय. सो प्लीज कॉल दोज पीपल, मेक देम फील हॅपी, मेक देम दॅट यू आर विथ देम. ओके, नितीन हवलदार हाय, बसवराज गुडी हाय, प्रवीणा हेदे हाय, अनिरुद्ध साते हाय. Okay, then Parag Karmali, hi, and Ravindra Kadam, hi. So now next, now this is feeling lonely. The next is how often to change the mask and how to dispose it. A very, very good question. Now when you have that COVID kit, or even if you don't have the COVID kit and you have the triple layer mask, because the people who are quarantined, we prefer that they wear mask, either cloth mask which is at least double layer, not a single layer. You know, I see many of them coming with such thin masks that even you can see the lip shape through that mask. Okay, the mask should be thick enough that it helps you decrease the entry of air from outside to in and from inside to out. So neither are you supposed to transmit something outside, neither are you supposed to breathe in something from outside to in your body. So it should be that thick enough. Now coming to the triple layer mask which a COVID positive patient is expected to wear if in case he is going to come in contact with someone, then that mask should be ideally disposed after every 8 hours, or earlier if it becomes dirty with your own body fluid like your saliva or nasal secretions. It has to be disposed after treating it with sodium hypochlorite solution. So keep it in that sodium hypochlorite solution, or spray the sodium hypochlorite solution over it and keep it like that for at least 5 minutes, and then dispose it in the proper bag. Now I have made an entire video on how you are going to prepare yourself for home quarantine, in which I had shown that COVID kit and I have shown what goes in which bag. So please go back to that video and see that. Okay. Also, what is this COVID kit you mentioned in an old video? So someone has asked me about that. Again, go back to my old video. There is a whole thing regarding COVID kit. Now, if you cannot find that COVID kit, it is okay. You can get all the things separate. Like, you know, you can get your pulse ox, you can get your thermometer, you can get your hypochlorite solution separately, or just take the bleaching powder, which you have to mix 3 tablespoons in 1 liter of water. It becomes a hypochlorite solution. You have to spray it with a spray bottle, so a separate spray bottle will do. Then other things are, there is a red bag and yellow bag which you will have to procure. So there are, I have already shared some numbers, I think, in the comment section. Okay, so of that old video. So, and otherwise any doctor who is following you up can also give those numbers to you. These are the people who are supplying those bags. I think somewhere the government should make a arrangement, for biomedical waste of these people who is discarded, because we are getting a lot of complaints from patients saying that no one is coming to collect my waste. Ideally, after 17 days of your quarantine, your health your panchayat or your municipality is supposed to collect this waste, and it is not in the doctor's hand. This whole thing is in the panchayat's hand or the municipality's hand, so they should be also taking care of this. When I personally came to know about this biomedical waste thing, I had called the punch of our area, and he said yes, we are arranging the needful. So in our area, I hope so it is going on. I'll have to find out from people who are being affected with that. Okay, so I think these were the few questions that I got, and maybe I must be completing 10 to 15 minutes. I wanted to stress more on that, the feeling lonely part. There are many people who are feeling lonely, so make them feel good, give them good laughter, send them some good nice jokes, and that should really make a day for them, and they shouldn't feel that they have been secluded. Also, do not discriminate them, do not stigmatize them. You don't know, I may be positive after a few days, one of us may be positive after a few days, because it is in public transmission. Anyone can be positive anytime. So what you do, it's like karma returns. What you do will come back to you. Okay, so you behave good with the other person, definitely when it is our turn, whenever it comes, okay, we will be also getting good feedback from them, or a good behavior from them. They will be also ready to help us. With this, I'm signing off for today. Dr. Poonam Sambhaji. Bye. Hope to see you tomorrow or day after. I'm trying to go answer only 5 or 6 questions now, so that it doesn't become too lengthy. Let's keep it to short and crisp, 10 to 15 minutes, so that it is not a burden on me also. Also, one more thing, please follow me. Everyone who is watching this video, please follow me on my other social handles like my Instagram and my YouTube, Dr. Poonam's Vlog, including my FB page, because that is the way the whole information is going to dissipate. Yes, my number of followers have increased, and I'm so happy that I'm giving the information out to so many people just by sitting here in my clinic. Okay, thanks so much for all this support. Namaskar and bye bye.